Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Salesforce tasks from Slack messages. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update Salesforce tasks from Slack messages, start by ensuring you have the necessary integrations set up. Access your Slack workspace and open the conversation containing the message related to the Salesforce task. Highlight the specific message that you want to use for updating the task. Next, click on the More Actions button, represented by 3 dots or the More option. Select the option that allows you to interact with Salesforce. This could be labeled Update Salesforce Task or something similar. Once selected, a new window will prompt you to authenticate your Salesforce account if you haven't done so already. Log in with your Salesforce credentials to connect your accounts. After authentication, the update window will show relevant fields linked to the task in Salesforce. Fill in the necessary details based on the information gathered from the Slack message. You may need to select the correct task if multiple tasks are associated with the same message. Ensure you provide any updates required, such as status changes, due dates, or additional notes. Once all the fields are completed, review your input for accuracy. Then, click the Update Task button to save your changes back to Salesforce. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your task has been successfully updated. Check Salesforce directly to ensure the updates reflect accurately. This integration allows seamless task management directly from your Slack conversations. Now you can efficiently keep your Salesforce tasks up to date without leaving Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.